everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking up outfit of the day, what I wore. You get a week of outfits, you get PA weather, life, and lots of puppies. And if you pay attention, Harvey's at the door right there trying to already escape. You can just see the outline of him. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. If you're new, I'm Laura. Harvey obviously is the kitty. Dexter's the beagle. Loki's the white puppy dog, and you'll probably see a Jack Russell. That's Willie. We hope you stick around for long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. All right, so it is Sunday morning. Actually, I think I just crossed into lunchtime. Come here, Betty. Come here. I'm going, Harvey, to say hi. It's so unusual. Harvey makes a cameo, right? Harvey's such a good boy. Such a good boy. And it is like 50 degrees, getting up to 58 today. Leave Harvey alone. Not that they fight. Loki just really wants Harvey to play with him, and Harvey says, no, thank you, I'm good. So they do actually get along for the most part. And Harvey does want to be part of the family. Anyway, so it's warmer today, rainy, not a beautiful day, but it's supposed to go up to 58. So for my outfit today, I have on, cut from the cloth denim. I have on just one of my favorite tees from the Loft. You guys hear me talk about them quite frequently, and I wear them quite frequently. I have on a vest from Free People. I got it at a boutique. Paired it with my fun little mules. These are Dolce Vita. Got them in at Trendsend once upon a time. For my jewelry, I just have on the necklace my friend got me, and we're set for the day. And I can't believe, like, this is the complete wind down for 2025, right? Wow, there's only a few days left. I hope your week starts off amazing, and I will catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. I have the puppers are all here, and it is a warmer day. Well, it says it's only 29, high of 63, which might have been early this morning. So maybe not so warm. And it is very windy outside. You might be able to hear it. It is super, super windy out. Yeah, can you hear that? I don't know. We'll see if it picks up. But let's see, my front door fashion posted today, and I thought it was a fun one. There were some really pretty pieces in there. I ended up just keeping the cream pants and that leather jacket, the mixed media jacket that was leather and sweater. So everyone really liked that first outfit. So did I. I kept those two pieces from it. And then I did ask her if she had those navy blue leather pants in my size, and she was checking. So she was putting them on a hold. We'll see if I get them or not. For my outfit today, I have on Pistola denim. I have on a Michael Stars sweater. I got this during their, I think, 30% off sale they had going on over the holidays. And my shoes, you've seen these many times, Dolce Vita. I got them in a Trendsend. I have on the necklace my husband got me, and that's about it today. Taking it's easy. Plus I keep putting cream on my hands today, huh? What are you doing, William? Huh? What are you doing, Will? Oh, he's so silly. All right. We will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. It is a cold one. We woke up to snow, 20 degrees outside, getting up to a high of 23, so not much movement. I'm off to the mall. I'm still getting myself dressed, and I'm running a little bit late. So I got used to sleeping in a little bit. So I'm going to keep getting myself ready here while we talk. It is very windy out here too. It's been super windy, and I'm not sure exactly why, but it's been windy for like several days now. The puppers I had to lock away because they always want to come with me, and I need to head out the door, so they're not with us today. And for my outfit, I have on silver denim that I got in a Stitch Fix. I have on an Anthropologie sweater. I love the sweater. Can you see the horsey in it? So pretty. I love all the colors in it. For shoes, it's snowing out and crappy, so I grabbed my old school Sorels so that I would have some grippers there and wouldn't have to worry about it. And then I'm going to throw a coat in the car just because it's so cold, but to walk around the mall, I picked my velvet fur vest again. I think that one is such a great one. And for jewelry, have on my necklace my husband got me, my bracelet stack, and we're off. I hope the end of the year is going amazing for you, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, the final day of 2025. We woke up to a snowy one. It's 25 degrees out. The high is only 31, so it's staying in the freezing range here. And the ground is pretty covered, but not enough that it made travel bad, just enough to like completely cover the grass. What do you think, Luke? Luke has his sweater on. He has this new thing where he likes to get into the shower or the bath when someone turns it on, so he gets all wet. So I put his sweater on last night so he could go out and not catch a cold, and he's been wearing it ever since. So since it was snowy out, I left it on him. Although he has the most hair and probably is the warmest of the bunch. Probably Willie needs it, huh? All right, so let's see. I am going out later tonight for dinner. That was a game day decision we just decided. So I may have a second outfit for you. We'll see. I haven't even given that thought. I had dressed more for thinking we were gonna be staying home all day. So I'm pretty comfy. I did add a little bling just for the jeans because I thought that was fun. And actually this sweater also has a little bit of silver metallic through it. So my jeans are just USA from a Wantable. This cute little cardigan is by Z Supply. I don't know if you guys can see that little bit of sparkle in there, like the silver threads. Got it from, no, jeans are Stitch Fix, sweater is Wantable. Of course, I have on my Evereve Bralette, love them. And then for shoes, I just put on my comfy Uggs. So I could do all the things today and keep my feetsies warm. I have on the necklace my husband got me, and that's it. That's it. It's a wrap down to 25, right? Wow, I can't believe it. That year went super fast. For my video today, it was a Wantable. I know the consensus was send it all back. I didn't do that actually. I did size up in that blazer. I really liked it, and I would wear it anytime. Like I don't need a special occasion to wear that little bit of sparkle, so I decided to go ahead and size up on it. The new one did already come. I like it. I kept the little V-neck black sweater because it was a nice little pairing. Plus it's hard to find the V-necks. And then I kept the sweatshirt, the graphic sweatshirt, because it had a low crew neck, which is hard to find in sweatshirts, and I liked that it was a graphic, so I just kept those three. All right, well, I wish everyone a very happy new year, and I will see you tomorrow. All right, so it is later same day Wednesday, New Year's Eve. We're headed out to dinner. I was able to get you a second outfit for today, which means you may not get one tomorrow. But I have on Daze pants. Love these. Got them in a Stitch Fix. Paired with a Deluc sweater that I got in a Wantable once upon a time. It has all the sparkle on the sleeve, but I like it because it's not too loud. Paired it with my Dolce Vitas with the gold toe. And to top it all off, I'm going to put on my White House Black Market fur jacket. Love this one. And we're off. I still have on the same jewelry. I put on my bracelet stack. I think I'm ready to go. Happy New Year to everybody, and I hope you stay safe, and I hope 2026 brings nothing but happiness, prosperity, health for all of us. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is New Year's Day. Happy 2026. It is Thursday. We got snow, so much snow yesterday. We went out to dinner, but it was a winter wonderland, let me tell you. And it is 18 degrees, getting up to 32 for a high today. It's already 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so I'm not sure when that's happening or if it already happened. Maybe tonight, I don't know. Puppers are all outside with my husband who's snow blowing. So they're in their cute little jackets they all got from my friend Lisa. They look so cute. I'll try to post pictures. And for today's outfit, I'm not leaving my house, I don't believe, but I would probably leave in this if I needed to. I have on a set from Z Supply. So the little cardigan and the pants, the sweater pants are so warm and cozy and so comfortable. Of course, I have one of my Evereve Bralettes on. For shoes, my Uggs, and I have the necklace on my husband got me, and that's it. So I hope the New Year's brings nothing but peace, prosperity and good health to each and every one of us. Wishing you a fabulous New Year's, and I hope 2026 is amazing for all of us. And I will catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Friday. All the holidays have passed us and it's time to get back into the regular swing of things. I can tell you, for me, my family's not ready to get back into the swing of things. Just me, it seems. So the puppers are sleeping in this morning, and it's almost 11 o'clock. So everybody's sleeping in but me. I did a switch out of the room, which you're going to see going forward. So I have new pillows, new colors. Some of my pillows are staying, of course, but I did do a big swap up, so that'll be fun for the new year. And for my outfit today, it is, let's see, what is the temperature today? 24 degrees. That's about what it's going to be. Snow's still on the ground, but no more snow has come. I chose Joe denim from Wantable, an Evereve sweater. My shoes are fun. These are by Sarto. Just a silver booty, little bit of support there from slippage. Oh, I never noticed this on the bottom. It says, "The art of creative beauty designed with love. Feel the passion, live with passion." How cool is that? It's funny, I never noticed that before. You can tell it doesn't look like I have worn these outside either. Sometimes I'll switch out my shoes. So excited to wear these. And for jewelry, I just put on the necklace my husband got me, and we're off for the day. I do have a coat. I have to go to my dad's today, so I picked this pretty blue coat from Loft as my topper. That's my outfit today. All right, I really hope your year is starting off well, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. And I have a Loft haul for you today. So much fun, please check it out. New year, new styles from the Loft. And I'm headed out to breakfast with my friend. Her son and daughter-in-law just had a baby, so I get to see the new baby, so I'm excited about that. And it is 17 degrees outside, so uber cold. So I have all archive clothes, like clothes I've had for a while on. I have on denim from AG. This is a wide leg. I have on my Evereve tee I got in a Trendsend a long time ago with the little thumb holes that I love. I wear it a lot when it's cold outside. For shoes, I have on these Kork-Ease. I've had these for a long time. And for a jacket, how about this one? This is by RD Style. Got it in a JB Stylebox. This one might be last year. And maybe my jeans might be last year. I think everything else is much older than that. For jewelry, I have on the necklace that my friend got me. She's one I'm meeting today. I have on the necklace my husband got me, and I think I'm set to go. I didn't even put bracelet stack on since I had on the thumb holes, but I could have put it on top now that I think about it. That's a wrap. All right, so I will list all of my outfits down below as always. Many come from boxes, so I'll let you know which boxes, and all those links are down below also. Can't wait to hear what your favorite outfit was this week. Don't forget to hit like, swipe, and subscribe. Swipe to hype and subscribe. And I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.